Hey guys, I speak to software engineers and they have a big worry around credibility about using AI tools. And what's the fear? The fear is that what if they are seen as somehow inferior or somehow stealing work or maybe dishonest if they are using AI coding tools or ChatGPT or any such hacks, so to say, to develop code faster. And you might sometimes actually hear these things in office gossips, that one person is telling to another, oh, that presentation, I think he used ChatGPT for that. Or the feature that he developed, I think he just developed it using ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot or whatever. So it almost seems like it's portrayed like it's a bad thing. Now, there is a good way to use these technologies and there is an actual bad way to use this technology. The good way is that if you are using it intelligently to actually solve a problem, coming up from a genuine place where you have a rough understanding of what you want, and then you are instructing and taking ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot's help to achieve that goal, I think you are coming up, approaching it through with honesty. If in case you need to generate a report or a document and you just give it a one liner and then you don't review the output, then you just copy paste the document as it is. Or if you use AI coding tools and if you simply blurt out a long piece of code through GitHub Copilot and don't review it, don't test it, it's you don't know the code well, then you are doing it not in a correct way. And I think that is something you should fix. But that does not mean you should discourage people or that you should fear that it affects your credibility. I think very rarely there are technologies which move needle, and move needles are what the new standards will be. ChatGPT, AI coding tools is one of those things which will definitely move the needle, and it will definitely change and bring in some new standards. And usage of AI coding tool will remain. What will definitely not happen is complete replacement of software engineers. I've been using AI coding tools a lot, and what I can clearly see that you need a person driving it who actually understands code, unless if they are making some mockups and UI and UX mockups with Lovable, with Bolt, or with whatever. But if you are building a serious software platform or an application, you need someone who understands software really well.